Credit cards are great, man. That was totally unnecessary, but I do like a good credit card. I'll tell you why. They're safe to use, man. That's the first reason. If you have cash and you lose it, it's gone. If you have a debit card, unless your bank has a special provision for like, hey, we protect you with every purchase. When you run your debit card, your money's sucked out of your account. If you overdraft your account, you're getting a fee. If someone else stole your card and drafted that out, now you have to figure out how to get it back. Totally different with a credit card company. No money has come out of your account yet. You've in essence borrowed money to pay for something in the short term, and you're gonna pay it back later. That's safe. If something goes wrong and I see a charge on my card that doesn't belong there, I just call the credit card company and I say, hey guys, this charge is not correct. And they help me figure that out. Side note, if we're not already connected, I'm Brooks. Nice to meet you. Sub to the channel. I'm an entrepreneur, man. I believe in multiple streams of income, personal finance, taking control of your family, your financial future. We need to talk. We need to connect. Comment down below. Let's stay connected. Number 2, you get to build credit with a credit card. You don't get that with a debit card. Why? Because with a debit card, you're using cash you already have. With a credit card, you're doing just that. You're building your credit because you're borrowing money and paying it back. Borrowing money and paying it back. Building your credit and having a high credit score leads to multiple positive things. One, it allows you to get loans. It allows you to get the best and lowest interest rates. So this means that if you're going to borrow money, like for a house or a car, you're gonna save the most money in the long run with the lowest interest. So building your credit is a great thing. All right, at the end of this video, I'm gonna give you a couple of power advanced tips. You're gonna need those. It's gonna allow you to use your credit cards really wisely, so stick around. Number 3, you can make money with a credit card. I know it's an advanced level topic, and if you're not already comfortable with a credit card, that's where you're gonna need to stick around to the end of the video, but you can literally make money. By us, instead of using cash or our debit card, we use our credit card, we get cash back, we get even better rewards on airline miles, and every now and then we apply for a new credit card that has a great initial offering where we'll make between $200 and $400 just by signing up for the card, getting approved, and then spending some money that we're gonna spend anyway in the first couple of months. I'm a big proponent of this. But now we get to the advanced tips, because to do that, you have to be very, very, very cautious of how you operate and use your credit card. 2 things for you there. 1, I would advise you to use the credit card only on items that you have to purchase every month anyway. Groceries, your cell phone bill, gasoline for your car, auto insurance. These are the type things that I would recommend you putting on your credit card because they're coming out of your account no matter what. If you don't have the money for those, then we need to talk about making more money first, okay? But if you have enough money to pay your bills, those are the items that you want to put on the credit card. Second, you want to set up your credit card to pay automatically. Not a minimum payment, not a certain payment. You want to pay the balance in full every month, automatically, drafted straight out of your checking account. That way you don't have to worry about it. That's how you use the credit card system to your advantage. That's how you make money off a credit card, by never paying interest, never paying any fees, and just getting back rewards at the end of every month. Now next, I'd watch this video on why the personal finance pros are wrong, or you can just hit up the entire playlist of personal finance that I have.